Not.
One. Sound it out.
Ba. Ba. Bit.
That's right. Blend it out.
I do not want bit.
Yeah, I do not one bit. B-I-T is bit. Good. Okay, next.
I.
That's an I. I know it looks different, but it's an I. Do.
I do not I do not bop.
Good job. See, you figured it out on your own. How about the next sentence?
I
Not here, but
no, I'm saying the O and the H together.
oh, okay. So you prefer to do it that way?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Then the the O is ah. So you shouldn't be saying here. You should be saying ha. If you go back to the page you were on.
This page?
Yep. If you're gonna do the H and O together, just go ha, and then add your last sound.
Ha. I hop.
Okay. Now go back to that page because you didn't finish that sentence for me. You got the word, but you kind of lost track. Okay?
Okay.
So it said, I do not bop.
I do not bop.
I
Hop.
hop.
I hop.
Keep reading though. There are more words after that.
Ha.
It's the same word. It's not a mistake. They want you to repeat it.
Hop. Hop.
Good. Yeah, it's not a mistake. So just trust the sounds. That's called repetition so you can get good practice. I hop.
I hop.
And.
I hop and mop.
Good. I hop and mop.
Mop.
I mop.
I mop
And.
hop.
Yeah. So I'm helping you with the sight words a bit, but you'll have to practice that. But the 3-letter words you can practice blending right now.
I am mop.
Good, good.
I